Hey everyone, it's Tropics WX here with another tropical video. We're here with another system that just got its name. Now is a tropical storm, Krosa. Krosa. I don't know how to say his name, but that besides the point. Let's get on to this. Standpoint. Stop going there. Records. Anyway, tropical storm Krosa. Warning number 5. Position 16.2 north, 143.2 east. Movement. Its movement is hold up. Movement 5.7 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds 40.2 or about 40. It will maximum wind speeds of about 75. So that's typhoon stage. It is currently moving north at that magnitude right there that we just at this magnitude right here. So yeah, let's head over to Zoomer. Gotta make sure it's updated. Okay, here it is. Tropical storm Katsura. Currently a 40-mile-per-hour storm with nine millibar of 999. Forecast to be a typhoon on the 27th. On the 26th, it is forecast to be a severe tropical storm by the 26th as well. Hang on. Okay, yeah, anyway. So, yeah, it is expected to be a typhoon. We did get the confirmation that there have been, and I'm going to repeat, tropical storm watches for northern Mariana Islands. About right here. So if you live in northern Mariana Islands, please take precaution of that, because that is urgent. That being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you next video. Goodbye.